Boomhauer 69 here, and today I'm going to show the Mtech USA Made in China Tactical Folding Knife Everyday Carry EDC. Here's what it looks like closed. Here's the back side. If you would like to see a more longer in-depth video about this knife, check out Boomhauer 69's channel at youtube.com, where you will see a longer, more in-depth video about this knife. Here's what it looks like fully extended out. Here's the back side of the knife and another close-up. Again, check out Boomhauer 69's channel at youtube.com for a more longer in-depth video about this knife right here.